Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have the DRAGSTRIP 5 pack featuring the 5 legendary rides. Before diving into the detail, let's unbox it. First up, I have got the 1988 Ford Thunderbird. It's a classic car that comes in a reddish maroon color. With a Vitesky motor and a Hot Wheel logo, Ford branding, and the number 088 on it. It has a sleek design. The next we have 1962 Corvette Gasser. This vintage diecast car has a Hot Wheel drag strip logo and comes in a cool teal color. The third diecast is Hot Wide. It's a futuristic diecast car, perfect for the racetrack with a cutting-edge style. Then there is the Nitro Door Slammer. This is a true beast on the DRAGSTRIP series. It has a bold letter on its spelling Nitro DS, giving it a cool look. And last but not the least, the Ford Mustang Funny Car. This muscle car isn't just funny, it's a ferocious as it features the graphics like Moon Eyes, Jim Dunn Racing, and Hot Wheel logos. That's why I bought this pack. And of course, it's a crown jewel of this pack along with 1962 Corvette Gasser. How cool is that? Five cars, one pack, endless collection. So let me know which one amazes you. Leave a comment below. Whether you are a collector or a racer, the DRAGSTRIP 5 pack is a definitely collectible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome videos. Let me know in the comments what other diecast models you would like to see featured. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.